Hello, friends, and my dear teachers. How are you? And today I have brought a special trick by which uh, you'll get to know how to paste a special. So, see here on this sheet. Again, this is the function about concatenation, and on this sheet, which is here. So, on this sheet, you see these three columns. If you see these three columns are created using formula. So what is the formula? So this is the formula, and this is the formula, and this is the formula. And I wanted to copy all these three columns somewhere on another sheet. So I'm taking a sheet and going to copy. So first I'll have to copy here these four columns. I'm going to copy, Control C. And on the new sheet, if I print Control V, then you'll see a change, that is the error. So how it had happened? So what is the solution if it happens? Because because this is created using formula. If we go to previous sheet, if we go to this sheet, this is these three columns are created using the formula. The formula is there. And if you copy this data which is created using formula, and when you copy this text or data and paste somewhere else, it will not copy in the shape which you are seeing here. So here you will have to paste it, Control Z to undo it. So to paste the exact values, you will have to use Control Shift and V. So this way we get the entire data which is in the form of values. Otherwise, in the previous version, it was copying the formula and the value as well. So that is why it is giving the error. And this time we have pasted using a special character or a special key, that is shift. So Control Shift and V will print only values. So I'm also going to demonstrate one more thing about paste special. So if you see there is a sheet on which I have taken two columns, date and number, and I wanted to make an ID which is the combination of date and number. So if I use, like, this is C2 and this is D2, and if I apply the formula like ampersand, I'm sorry, equal, and C2 ampersand D2, so you'll see this is converted into the number. And what I wanted that it should be the combination of date and number. So when you apply date, or you if you want to concatenate date and number, date or other data, it will be converted into the other data only. It will not be in the date will not be concatenated as it is. So what to do here? So there is a trick, or there is a function which is called text. So if you use text here, text, and what do you want? I want to take date and it should be converted into text. So C2 is my date, and then it requires a format. So next parameter is format, and in the format I want dd dash mm and yyyy. So this date is now converted into text, and along with I wanted to concatenate this text with column D. So see here, ampersand to concatenate, and then D2. So when I press enter, it gives the ID like this. So it is copied from top row to bottom. So this is the ID. And if you want to like insert any character like dash, I wanted to insert dash between. I'll use double quotes and hyphen and then ampersand this way, and I'll copy this formula in entire range. So this way the unique ID is created using the text function of Google Sheet. Is there any other method by which I should not use text and I can accomplish my task? Is it possible? I think it is possible. How? So what I am going to do here, I am going to convert. It's a little trick that this hyphen I'll replace it with some other character, maybe hash. So I'm taking this and going to replace, control H to replace, and hyphen with say hashtag and replace. So see here, the entire range where a hyphen was there and the hyphen is replaced with hashtag sign. Now I want to convert it into a label. So how to convert this into label? See here. So I'm taking it here and equal, and here I'm going to use double quotes and apostrophe and double quotes closed and ampersand and then C2. So here I'm copying this formula from this place to the entire range. So this way my text is available here. But if I want to replace hashtag with hyphen, so this is the formula value, and it cannot be if you apply the replace function here, it will not work. Why? So see here, if I apply control H and I wanted to replace hashtag by dash only, it will not replace. So no match found. So what we will have to do? It's very simple. We'll have to copy this range and paste special. So here only control shift and V, then you see the entire column will turn into the value. See here, there is no formula at all. And now we can replace this hashtag by dash. Control H, hashtag by dash, and replace all. So see here, your date is there, but it is a label now. Single apostrophe and date, single apostrophe and date. Every date is in label format. See here. And now in the next column, I'll concatenate using the manual method equal F2 ampersand dash ampersand and E2. See here, this is F2, not E2, it should be D2. So this way your ID is created, and copy it and paste it in the rest of the cells. So this way we can create a date ID. So I think you like it, and if you like, kindly share with your friends. And if you have any idea that I can improvise in these tricks, kindly share and comment. So thank you, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.